Dude, I thought it was a vine at first. Oh, fuck. It's that real life Jurassic Park, bro. The tree fell. I feel like it just happened. What the fuck is going on? Everybody, get away. No. I guess the tree just fell, ripped some power lines. Not good.
What are you guys like smashing through here though?
Not good, not good.
Definitely want to do this though. It looks pretty sick.
I know.
Damn. We're doing a quick hike right now. We couldn't go on the last one because you saw what happened. But basically, we're out here at Makapu'u Trails, and there's a lighthouse at the end. Just hiking this way up, man. Getting our steps in. Got the Apple Watch on. Getting dark. Look at that. Oh, nice and shiny. Oh my God. We're getting dark out here. All right, I'll tap in with you guys at the top. At the top.
Oh, you have the key?
What is going on? We're out here.
Good.
I had to leave my son at home this morning because he was being a little sleepy baby.
I'm burnt.
I'm getting tan. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Glistening. Glistening. Homeboy's burnt though.
I'm built
Yikes.
different.
After that hike, man, a little hungry, so we're hitting up Hot Pot one more time because why not? We're on vacation, why not?
I wonder if these elevators are going to sketch.
There's only one way to find out, right?
No.
That would suck if we got stuck in an elevator. Oh, these are kind of nice.
It's a reservation.
These are kind of nice though. But let me just... Nah, these are solid.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're solid. Shibuya is all you can eat, so we're gonna mess this thing up, man. We got some karage right here, we got spicy, we got regular, and we're just waiting on the meats. We're gonna boil it in here, put some vegetables, and just indulge, man. Life is good, life is good. So we got our meat options right here. If y'all have never had hot pot before, all you gotta do is you take this raw meat, okay, and you dunk it. See this? This is a bath for them. And once they're cooked, you go ahead, you dip it into sauces, and you just eat it like that. This has been the move lately, man. So good. Where did I last leave you guys? I think we had lunch. And then we went to a beach. And then I slept on the beach. And now we're eating. Again. From? Where's this from?
Leonard's.
Leonard's, baby. Cinnamon sugar. Can't go wrong. This is the first time trying this food truck. We usually get it back at the main location, the store, the building. But yeah, hopefully this one's just as good. We saw it on the way back, so we were like, let's try it out. You said it's hot, right?
Yes, it's hot.
I'm just gonna go in for it. Did they give
napkins?
Yeah.
No.
No napkins?
No. It's a truck, buddy. They don't got napkins.
This is hot though.
Yeah, I told you it's hot. That does sound good.
You like that?
Yeah.
Because we gotta get sugar all over this. Oh my god. Here, does this sound?
Ooh, I saw that little drool on that finger. Oh, hell yeah. If they had milk, I would have bought milk.
Yeah, milk at Petco. It's kind of crazy how the best stuff could come from a truck. Like, you don't even need a restaurant. Truck food is good, man. How do they do it?
Oh my goodness. Holy did the wind knock it over or did one of them knock it over?
The guy behind the kid, I think. Last night was kind of wild, so we ended up just knocking out, but we're here, we're on a boat right now. I'm doing the voiceover. I'm with the homie Darius, his girlfriend, the homie Josh. All my friends, bro, I've known for the longest time. So I've known Darius since 6th grade, man. 6th grade. And Josh and I go way back as well. So we decided to, you know, link up in Hawaii, and we wanted to go ahead and hit some jet skis.
There's also been a few small fishing boats, but they kind of stick to the edges.
Clear, yeah.
But just, yeah, you might see like a kayak, a canoe, you could see anything. So just be careful of that. As you guys are going around, just keep some space. Like, you don't want like people racing, or if you're like directly behind someone and they fall off, you've got nowhere to go except straight over top of you. So,
Yeah. Anyway, this is how the course worked out. They had 3 buoys in the water, and we had to make sure that everybody was staying within those buoys. If you go out, there's like little pieces of metal poking out of the water, and you don't want to hit those, and there might be reefs, so you gotta be real careful when you do these jet skis. Alright guys, let's see how this goes. Hopefully no one falls off, because that would suck. And one pro tip, whenever you're doing this, if you've never done it before, keep your distance, man. It might be cool to, you know, get a little close to your friend or whatever, but it's not. It's not. You want to be safe, because these things don't have brakes, and you can potentially get into an accident on the water, and that's never fun. So be careful, be safe. These things go crazy fast, and enjoy yourself, man. If you're ever in Hawaii, I would highly recommend it. One thing though is that I would recommend, you know, buying a pair of goggles. I'm surprised that they don't give you goggles, because whenever you're going against the water just shoots in your eye, and the salt water, bro, it stings a little bit and it's hard to see. So if you have goggles on, it wouldn't be a problem. I'd be flying through there, but I didn't have my goggles. That's my pro tip of the day. Hope you guys enjoy these clips. I wish the angle was a little wider, but you know, I'm still learning with this camera that I have. But enjoy the jet skis. This is our private beach. We came here a couple days ago, and it was so nice that, you know, we had to come back. And now I have my underwater cage, and we have little fishes. I just don't have my goggles, but yeah, we're gonna float in this, enjoy the vibes. Oh, just floating away, man. Life is good, life is good. Cannot complain at all. If you guys enjoy these travel vlogs, let me know in the comment section down below. I know that these vlogs don't really get as many views as like a car vlog or anything else, but honestly, the reason I do this and the reason I did vlogs in the beginning was just to capture these moments, because man, with all the stuff that I do, my memory isn't that great. I always remember, like, yes, I had a good time, but there's times where I just want to look back at it, and this is one of those times, man. Like, you just can't take this away, and these are memories that, you know, if I don't document, I might forget about them. So that's the cool thing about vlogging. If you guys don't know, or if you guys want to start vlogging, make sure you start, because these are memories, bro. It's nice, right? I might even dip you guys in the water. I might fuck around and dip you guys in the water. I'm gonna float on out in the water, and you guys are gonna go down there. I can't see anything, so if you see any fish, let me know. And yeah, I'll be back. Don't drown on me, okay? I need y'all. See any fish? No fish? Okay. Fish at the front. Yeah, there are fish at the front. Like small little baby fish. But I want to see, like, I think I gotta go out more. I wish I had my goggles. Sorry guys. This is kind of a spur of the moment thing. Michael Phelps.
Boys might not hit those slippers on.
Water shoes.
Oh, you don't have anything on, do you?
I don't.
Oh.
Hey, if someone wants the floaty, let me know. That's the island that people boat to. There's people on there.
I could swim there, but I would be tired as fuck. I probably wouldn't swim back.
Float. Or we could hit a lick on that boat right there.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, gotta bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was you know they roll.